Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how to use the Crypto.com card in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrencies and want to spend them like regular cash, this card is a must-have. It's a Visa debit card linked to your Crypto.com wallet, offering perks like cashback rewards, exclusive benefits, and enhanced security features that have been upgraded for 2025. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need a Crypto.com account. If you don't have one, download the app from your phone's app store, sign up with your email, and verify your identity. It's quick and straightforward. Think of it as setting up a bank account, but for crypto. Once you're logged in, head to the Cards section in the app. Here, you can apply for a Crypto.com card. In 2025, they've made this even easier with new tiers, including options for virtual cards for online shopping. Choose your level based on the rewards you want, like higher cashback on spending. Next, fund your card. Link it to your Crypto.com wallet and transfer funds from your crypto holdings, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, into your card balance. The app now supports instant conversions with better exchange rates thanks to 2025 updates, so you won't lose much value. Now for the fun part, using it. You can make purchases anywhere Visa is accepted, whether it's online shopping, grabbing coffee, or paying bills. Every transaction earns you rewards, like staking bonuses or crypto cashback, which you can see in real time in the app. Don't forget about security. In 2025, Crypto.com has ramped up features like biometric authentication and instant freeze options if your card is lost. Always monitor your transactions in the app to stay on top of your spending. One quick tip. Use the card for everyday expenses to maximize rewards, but keep an eye on market fluctuations since your crypto balance can affect your available funds. If you run into any issues, the app's support chat is super responsive. There you have it. Using the Crypto.com card in 2025 is simple, rewarding, and secure. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.